only need somebody I could follow. I don't want for nothing, he gon' help me get my ball on. Take me round the world and tell them all to spend it all on. And I just need a ride of it. Beat the pussy, fall asleep inside of it. Used to have a hoes, but I got tired of it. Now my niggas like this, who you rockin' with, this who I'm rockin' with. Ain't no question, girl, what we got is such a blessing. All those old relationships was lessons, I swear this shit feels special. I finally got someone to lean on, all up in my feelings, but a nigga still a Cheeto. We don't.
Yo!
What is up, Deezy Nation? It's your girl Deezy, and we're back at it with another mother-loving video. So I just got out the shower, did what I had to do in there, you heard. And what I'm going to do today is a high puff tutorial. You guys like my bonnet? It's a jumbo bonnet. Jumbo. You know, need space, I guess. So that's how I go to sleep. I put my hair in a pineapple, right? Wow, look at my curls, bro. This is a 6-day-old wash and go. 6. Look at that. Curls still in there. I can't wait for y'all to I can't wait to show y'all the products that I use, bro. Like, y'all go love them. Well, I love them. And that's gonna be part of my my stuff, you feel me? But so I put my hair in a pineapple and I sleep with the bonnet. Okay, so this is day 6 wash and go. So I did this wash and go 6 days ago. I mean, if I wanted to, I could literally like keep this for a whole week, which would be tomorrow. Like, no joke. I don't know about you guys, but I like frizz. And even though there's frizz, but look at my curls though. Look. My curls are still there. How do you, look at all that. How do you expect no frizz on day 6? And look at this. It's not stuck, it's not matted, it's loose. But I'm just tired of, like, right now my hair and my face. And so what I've been trying to do, like I said, I just bought these new products. I bought 4 new products, and those products is what I did this wash and go with. Next week, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to record it. I'm going to review and demo the products and show you guys how I do my wash and go. For now, since it's a 6-day-old wash and go, I'm going to show you how I do my high puff. Okay? What you're going to need is a pick. I've been using this pick since I've been natural, bro. It's a steel prick. Steel? Metal? I haven't like, this is probably the best pick. I don't know people who use plastic picks or what, but I definitely recommend this pick, okay? My hair is not dry, but I'm going to moisturize it, right? So get your spray bottle. I'm just gonna spray the perimeters of my hair. Then I'm gonna take the Shea Moisture's Head to Toe Nourishing Hydration 100% extra virgin coconut oil. But just look it up. Alright. Take that. Rub it together. Put it all over my hand. And then we're gonna go in the scalp. It makes my hair really, really soft. Like, really soft. And you can use this on your skin too. When I put this on my skin, I literally broke out. Like, I had bumps on my back. And I could only assume like it was from that because prior to me using it, I didn't have no bumps how they came or how it was. And then, like, I got 2 burn marks. Like, I don't know, it's hard to explain. So, I mean, I tried it, but I don't do it. Take my rings off. I hate when stuff get in my rings, and then when stuff get in my nails. And then I'm gonna add some Jamaican black castor oil, just because I just really haven't used it for real. So I'm gonna just put that on my scalp. God, this stuff is thick. Rub that in. Okay. Then I got this Carol's Daughter hair milk, nourishing and conditioning refresher spray for coils, curls, kinks, and waves. Deeply moisturizes, improves softness, prevents frizz. And then I'm gonna just spray that, like, just a little bit though, because I don't want to dampen my hair. Okay. So, depending on how you want your high puff, people like theirs frizzy, people like theirs slick, and whatever. But to me, I don't know how am I gonna do it today. I'm gonna do it semi-slick. So let me just wet the perimeter again, because I don't want a lot of gel in my hair. I'm gonna just take my Denman brush and just slick it just a little bit. Just the perimeter though. Okay. Just to get the kinks from the perimeter. So instead of using Eco Styler gel, I'm gonna use the curling jelly. This is not a thick gel. I'm gonna do a review on it. So that's why I'm not gonna really go into it. I just want it laid for real, okay? I don't want it hardened or anything like that. I just want it slick a little bit. So just put this on the perimeter. Then I'm gonna get my hard brush and just smooth that out. Just the perimeter. All right, so I had this drawstring for years. So ladies, you know stockings, like pantyhose? This is from the top. This is, you know, the top of the pantyhose. I just cut that off and I just stretched it, and I've been using it for years. It's perfect. I'm talking about it's perfect. So what I do, I just take it, put it around like so. Put it around the perimeter. Tie it like you're tying a shoe. We'll cross it like that. Go to the back and start pulling it up in the back, right? And then I just pull. I think that's only how much I'm gonna do. I just pull and it draws it up, right? And then you just do the same thing and just tie it in the back, okay? And it literally stays. Then the 2 strings, you just tuck it in. And if you're worried about it like coming down, you can just bobby pin it. So you can leave it like this.
I am so sorry. My homegirl's calling me. But as you can tell, I'm super sick. But anyway, just grab your pick and pick however, oh my gosh, I can't even talk. Pick your fro, your puff, whatever you want to call it, to however big you want it. And I like mine kind of big. You know what I'm saying? Like, pick. And boom, you're done. I mean, this is how I like my puffs. I'm going to go ahead and, get my ballerina curls in the back. I don't think I'm going to get them in the front. But, you know what I'm saying? Like, with your high puff, you freak it how you want it. I didn't do baby hairs in mine because, as you can see, my puff goes over my baby hairs. Like, over my forehead. So, like, I just slicked it back just a little bit. Just so they can look somewhat together. But otherwise, like, I'm going to leave you guys to watch the video without my raspy voice. And this is how you do, or this is how I do my high puff. Thank you guys so much. Oh my God. I hope you guys like it. And I'm back. I lied. I definitely did my ballerina curls in the front. How could I not? Alrighty, bye.